So, you're leading with the little finger and ring finger. You're turning the head to turn the top of the spine. Don't forget, we've been working on the top. The head and the spine are connected, and it's going to be hard to remember that in this exercise, but I just want to remind you that when I shout at you and upbraid you for leaving the head behind.
Is the head turning passively?
The head is turning actively. This is an active upper body. There are two of these spirals. One is led by the feet, which is actually easier to do, and then the head is left behind. But this one, the head is turning actively. Oh, it's not so bad. The feet are passive but twisted. And so it's that same extension through here.
Is your left arm, are you thinking anything about your left arm?
Yes, the two sides of the body. This is the reason, this is a helix. So we're doing a helix. This is taken directly from walking, right? From the change spiral in walking. So there is this curiosity about the arms that the spirals don't continue up like in flamenco or ballet. You know, they do extend, however, down here, which is a more efficient kind of folding of the spiraling. So here we're doing it like this. So this side is leading backwards. This side is leading forwards. And it's the outside of the arm.
When you're on the floor, what are you doing with your legs? Are they extended? Are they?
They're extended. The whole structure is extended. The extension is really important to the whole thing. So in other words, you're not. These passively. These end up in the shape they're in, based on the top of the body turning away from them, and they're extending in order to give the body something to turn from. So the amount they extend controls the amount you have to extend in the top part, right? So if they're flaccid, you don't have much to do up here. This weight will easily take you over. If they're extending, you can actually completely counter the extension in the upper body. A sample. It doesn't matter, really. The roll doesn't go in a straight line anyway. I want to warn you, it kind of curves according to how wide your extension is in your arms. So you're going to be bumping into each other. Remember to keep your head active. You're kind of trying to look into your ear in the direction that your head is trying to lead the spine.
You feel like you could turn from any, I mean, once you're in the position, any part of your body could be more good.
True.
Okay.
Yeah.
I just, maybe you didn't want to do that.
No, it's true. It's just hard to say that at the very beginning, yeah. Upper part of the body is leading the lower part of the body. Lower part of the body is resisting the turn a little bit, so that you have something to turn from. An extension has two ends. So if your arms and your head are trying to twist the shoulders and get you over the shape, the triangular shape of the body, the legs are each extending in a spiral away. You're experiencing the helix of the body. The right side spiraling around the left side spiraling around the right side. And your mind instead of being focused, I think, has to be sort of generalized. You have to be peripherally in the body to sense this duality. And it's too